if checkbox state is local and these states are in checkbox state and that's all local, then we're not going to be able to access this outside. So if we want to access these states from this function that called it, we're not going to be able to. How do we get around that? Well, the proper way to do that is to have the code return checkbox state. And it'll just return this table. So like this, you can do local my states equals, and then what's returned by custom checklist, which would be this, goes into this variable, and you can deal with that as you would. But this code should not be at the end of this function. It has to be coming from the custom checklist function, and it has to wait to execute until after the apply button has been clicked. An if statement won't work because then it'll just find it false and not run again. It has to essentially be some type of loop. The way I solved it was like this. I set the local variable continue to false at the beginning. And then I came down here and I made a little loop. Repeat until continue. And inside of the button clicked function, I do continue equals true. So now when you click the button, continue becomes true. This is just stalling endlessly until continue is true. And then it continues and we return the checkbox state.